Hey guys, it's Melinda
and Carlos
from Real Tease Fishing, and we are here at mini season 2022 on night 1. We are waiting for the 12:01 a.m. clock time to start. What do you think?
I think we're gonna have a good night. It's a little windier than we would like, but I think we're gonna get them. So tonight we're gonna do bully netting. Family tradition. We've been doing it for quite some time. So you'll see my mom come out in the footage. She is probably the best one on the boat, to be honest. But let's see how we do. Stay tuned. First night of mini season.
Wish us luck.
Ooh, 12:01. So this is what we can do. We can run back to the car, sit in the car for a little bit, we can call it. Look.
Oh shit. She's making me nervous. Just take a boat there?
Alright, so our day got cut short. See what's coming. We are gonna call it. We only got one today. A lot of rain. It's not a good day.
But we ain't quit yet.
So at this point, if you look out to the left side of the boat, you will see a bunch of bully netters. Those are actually all boats out there. And we decided to pack it up because it's thundering, lightning, and the rain is coming. And I don't want to get caught in the mess of boats headed back to the ramp, especially if there's a blackout condition. So thankfully, the ramp is pretty close by. And at this point, you'll see us start putting everything back together so we can get going. We definitely made the right call here to head back to the marina. The wind, the rain, the lightning, everything started to come down around us. As you see in the video, you can see some of the waves and the splash coming over the top of the boat. And then you add the fact that it's midnight and it's pitch black outside. It does not make a fun trip back. Well, mini season day 1 was a wash. We had to cut it short due to a severe thunderstorm that rolled through. It is not even 1 a.m. so we didn't even get to fish for an hour.
For half an hour.
Only got about 30 minutes of fishing in, and even then, as you saw in the video, it rained. It was super windy, couldn't see anything. We ended up catching one, so we didn't get skunked, but I think that's the worst you've ever done.
Yeah. And of course, the one was caught by Mom.
No, she missed it. I jinxed her.
Oh, that's right. That's right. He got it. You did miss it.
But we did catch one, so that was our trip, day 1. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys did. Hopefully you guys did a lot better. We will be back out tomorrow to give it another shot, so stay tuned.
See you tomorrow.